Okay, welcome one more time. So this session is for absolute beginners and freshers. If you are just starting, okay, you are at the right place. If you are already aware of how to place orders, what is an SLM order, what is an SL order, limit order, how to place target, how to place stop loss in the live market, then you are in the right place. Okay, how many of you are in the right place? Type RP in the comment box. RP is right place. Okay, if you're already experienced, probably you can just be there with me. And now that I have a lot of spots left, I was expecting that we will be full today, but then we are almost 70 to 75%. Super awesome. Okay, many of you are beginners and just getting started. Okay, let's get started with the. So today there will be very less theory, and I'll be showing you live on the chart. How many of you have taken the trade based on the SBI? Type me in the comment box. If you have taken the SBI trade and if you have made the first target, type me in the comment box. Me, bole to you should have a lot of E's. How many of you are also seeing that it uh, how many of you also see that? Okay, a lot of you are commenting me. Okay, how many of you are in profits according to SBI strategy? Uma Shankar, Vinayak, how many of you are in profits? Type profits in the comment box. If you are in the profits, type profits in the comment box. Okay, all of you type profits. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, let's yeah, sure. So cool. Okay, cool. So where did we get the entry? All of you who are not understanding where the entry was, where the exit was, I'm going to be showing you. I've already placed my trades. Okay, I've not exited because I wanted to show you where to exit, although it has hit my profit from 4 trades. Uma Shankar, you're from the last batch? Uma? Last WhatsApp batch, right? Yes. How many of you are from last WhatsApp batch and seeing the magic unfolding in front of your own eyes? Type magic in the comment box. Type magic. If you are experiencing magic in front of your own eyes, type magic in the comment box. Okay. All right. Thank you. So will this continue? No. But are we in control? Yes. Why? Because we have the risk management in place. We have the risk management in place. When you have risk management in place, you will enjoy both sides. Okay, whether it gives you profits, whether it gives you loss, you are not really worried. Why? Because you are depositing your money every single day to reach your goal. Type deposits in the comment box, because this is a brand new concept that I'm introducing in the trading world. Okay, type deposit in the comment box and I'll explain deposits along with order placements. Okay, I somehow oriented towards the psychology, although I'm planning to do a practical session right now. So that's the challenge. Okay. So what do you mean by deposit is, so I will quickly explain the tool also. And I'll go to this. For example, if you are comfortable taking, say, how many shares, how many this thing, how many, so let's say 1,000 rupees. Okay, so this is my daily deposit. Okay, let's not call it as a risk or a loss, let's call it as a deposit. So I am ready to deposit this into one account where it will give me some money. So I'll be buying 300 shares. Once you put this deposit amount here, you will get to know how many stocks you should buy. What I will now do is I will quickly show you for people who are just wanting to know how to buy. Okay, how to buy. Okay, so this is just one of my account. Okay, my real account is here. This is where I'm doing all my tradings. This goes into profits and losses. How many of you can see this 21,000? Type me in the comment box. Okay, does this always happen? No, not every day at all. Chandrakant, Rajkumar, don't expect daily profits. This is a business, Virendra. You need to get accustomed to a business mindset. Yesterday, Sanjay, I made 3,000 rupees profit. Day for yesterday, I made 25,000 rupees loss. How much? Can you write loss? 25,000 rupees loss. Okay, so it is very much part of the game. This is very much part of the game. Loss and profits are very much part of the game. Yes. So I take it because I'm doing daily deposits, Atul. How much deposit? I'll deposit whatever. For example, this is one sample I'm just showing you, and you can just I mean, there are a lot of things. And another thing, I'll also want to tell you some more thing. then it's going to be part of your game. But if you understand how to have that small loss and then a big profit, which I'll be covering for the second batch of participants today evening, okay, wherever you are watching, you will get to know that video. So now, so you know that you need to buy 300 shares. Okay, that's the calculation, Tarun. I have done the very interesting calculation. It doesn't make much difference, Tarun, but I'll explain that later. Good question, but ignore that for the time being because the difference is also very less. I've taken even the minute of the minute this thing also. So ignore that for the time being because the difference is very less. Now, if I what so I've given two levels here. One is the long side targets and stop loss. The other one is the short side targets and stop loss. So long side today, long side triggered, and let me show you where was our entry. Our entry was at 182.00. So okay, now I'll show you. No, in that this is only for bank SBI. I've given this only for SBI. I've done extensive research. I've done finalized to only this thing. So just use this for SBI. I've given it in my FAQ data also. That please don't use this for any other stocks or not even Bank Nifty. Okay. Now let me show you how to exit a current position. I have some position which is already going on now. Okay, which is a current position. Now, how do I exit this? Okay, I think I got these three dots here. I got this exit. Okay, I will be posting everything. So I have the backtest. Backtest, you deserve to get the backtest, Kiran, if you are in one of my WhatsApp batch. I've already shared it. I don't know how you have not got it. Okay, guys, concentrate here on the order placement. So I'm showing you how to exit my current position. If you are there, Uma Shankar, I'll come to that. Just concentrate here. I'll be giving you the step-by-step plan on other stocks also later. But let's focus on one. So I understand. I talked about a concept called T-shaped trader, which means you need to have a sense of all strategies and setups and all goes and other stuff. But you also need to go deep into one or two strategies. Let's go understand the deep and then go the other stuff. Window little up. Okay, sure. I don't know how to do that, but let me see. Okay, so what I just did, Atul, is I just did what do you call I clicked on this this thing. What was the today's first target? Can somebody comment based on the calculation? What was the today's first target? Target one. What was target one today? I'm just exiting just to show you. You can while you are commenting the target one today. Okay, I've just exited and now I don't have anything to show you. Okay. Now, in order for you to just to give you an idea, not for this thing. Okay, this is not part of any system or setup, and I'm just showing you how to buy and sell. Okay, so we are on this 5 minutes chart, and let me sell and show you how to sell a stock at market trading. Okay, this is for some of you, and I don't know how many of you have noticed this. Zerodha has also introduced something called margin required. Okay, so for example, if you want, many of you ask me, sir, margin kitna chahiye paisa. Don't worry, write your quantity here. The Zerodha has come up with a built-in algorithm. It will tell you 183.8. Srini, okay, very good. Rohit, very good. What is today's high? What is today's high? What is today's high? Okay, so it will give you what is the margin required directly here, and can you all see this market limit and stop loss? And I don't know how do I move this. 183.5. That is no magic. It's just coincidence. Please understand, Rajesh, Roshan, Virendra. It is very, very. It's just a coincidence that today it just touched high and it is going down. Okay, there is nothing, no coin, no magic, nothing in the strategy. Can I tell you what you must know? Type must in the comment box. It is not just what you want to know, Galisha. I will tell you what you must. So see, when you do it as part of the system, then you will not have to worry about, and you don't have to go by, okay, if somebody is telling you that I have cracked the formula, I'm telling you that market will go here and it will hit and come back. I am sorry, Deepak, that is a wrong thing. Okay, but if you know your stop loss, if you know your target, if you are consistently following a system and it has objectively identified the edge, I will, in for easiest sake, I'll tell you that there are two edges. One is the accuracy, the other one is the risk reward ratio. For my inner circle and coaching club people, I will give you another 5. How many of you want another 5? Type total of 7 or 6. I think 2 plus 5, total 6, total 7. I'm sorry. So one is the accuracy risk reward ratio, but there are another 5 also. Okay, which I will be doing a special masterclass later within my coaching system. So, but all of us are behind what? Accuracy. We want only accuracy, accuracy, accuracy. Now I am seeing people going behind the risk reward ratio. But even this was not the earlier scenario. Only now I am seeing that people are going behind risk reward ratio. Now I will challenge you in the next 2 to 3 years. Everybody will be talking about these all these 6 or 7, and I'm going to be teaching that to you not for this 5 days masterclass. That is only for the advanced level. All the other elements that are required to build a system. Okay. Yes, Roshan. It's a combination of risk reward ratio, accuracy, the position sizing. There are many. I have a game built on that. We will be playing that verbal game. Okay. And I have also built a huge game on risk management. I will see how that can be played out at a very much later point in time. So now if I want to sell, in fact, I wanted to sell it there only. And okay. So how do you sell at a market? When you want to sell at a market, Surinder, I'll give you the details on Friday. For the time being, just concentrate on this. So if you want to sell sell at the current place, current market price, wherever the market is, you can just click on MIS, click on market, and click on sell. Okay. If you want to directly change this here, you can actually change this buy to sell, buy to sell. Okay. You can just change it here. And if you want currently the bracket order and CO order are blocked in Zerodha. Raj, if you are there, how about AMO in Zerodha? Are they allowing it now? Okay. Is EMO allowed? Aftermarket orders allowed in Zerodha? Can somebody comment? I'm okay. Surinder is saying it is allowed. Okay, awesome. So this AMO, when I was doing my positional trading, currently I don't do positional. Why? Because of the market conditions being very volatile and choppy. I don't do it now. But when I was doing it, when I was doing Bank Nifty positional about 10 years back, yes, 10 years back, 2008, not even 10, more than that, according to the system, we used to place AMO orders yesterday after 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. Even now, I think it should be after some 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. It's not allowed immediately. Before 9 a.m., you need to place this. Is my understanding right? After 4, yes. After 4 and before 9 a.m., Surinder? Yeah, so currently I don't use AMO. So basically, for all of you who are wanting to understand, can we place orders even before the market opens? The answer is yes. Okay, how do you do that? You can use AMO. Okay, so now market order this is how you place the market order, and you just click on MIS and click on market order, and you'll be able to buy or sell a particular stock. Let me show you quantity 5, or maybe, for example, I want to buy now. My 5 stocks will get triggered, and if I am lucky, my order gets fulfilled, and they will start showing up here as quantity equal to 5. Can you all see quantity equal to 5? Right. Also, can we place order? I think. What is that? Rajesh, just a minute. I'm getting the screen back. It has gone for some holiday break. It also needs some quick break. At night, yes, I think you can. You should be. Aram se you can night. You should be able to place a stop loss after 4 p.m. till 8:55 a.m. You can do it anytime. There is no fix this thing. Okay. So I placed an order for 5 quantity, and now let's assume it is going up. Okay. This I am now showing you only market orders live. I'm showing you only market orders. Now again, I can go to this 3 quadrants and click on exits. This is only market order. When you click on exit from this only, then it will automatically pick up the existing order. If it is sell order, when you exit, it will take a buy order. It will also automatically take up all the quantity that you want. What if you want to sell only half of the quantity out of that? You can change the quantity there. Okay, you can change the quantity. Is market order crystal clear? Type CC in the comment box. If market order is crystal clear, type CC in the comment box. Thank you, Sanjay. So the next one now is the limit order is the most complex thing. Even I am. So by the way, I am sure, Tarun. Go ahead. Ask away your questions. You can. So I'm basically opening up the questions now related to order placement. Okay, and there are many experienced traders here who understand better than me. They will also guide us. So because the way currently I'm doing is I only use bracket orders. Okay, and then I use bracket orders. I mostly use the bracket orders, place my orders, place my stop loss, and then I just uh, finish it. I don't look at the market also. Okay. Now, if you want to look at what is the next one, uh, now you want to place the limit order. Okay. Now the question answer. I'm going to be throwing you a question now. Okay, all of you. Now the market is at 183. Now the market is at 183. If I want, okay, want to buy at 180, what order should I be placing? Okay, limit order, very good. Okay, place buy limit order, super awesome. So if the current market is say here and you want to buy when it goes down, that is when you need to place a limit order. So one use case of a limit order is the current market when you are buying. If the market, if you want to buy at a lesser price, you will have to place a limit order. But if you want to place a place, what do you call the uh, if you want to, if the market is here currently 183, but you want to buy at 185, you'll be placing SL order or SLM order. What is the difference between SL order and SLM order? Who can give me in the sentence what is the difference between SL order and SLM order? And Raj is saying we can even do SLL order. But is the SLL order available in Zerodha? Raj? Okay, cool. So SL order is, so can you all see this SL and SLM? Very important. I want you to understand this. So maybe this class, let's focus on limit, SL and SLM. Okay, limit, SL and SLM. Let's talk about that. Okay, for a while now. So market we all understood. I showed you the example. Limit order is if you want to, if the current market is here, if you want to buy at a lesser price, then you can use limit order. I'll tell you one more case little later. If you want to, if the market is here, if you want to buy here, then you can place either SL order or SLM order. What are the two orders you can buy? Okay, SL order and SLM order. The difference between this and this is when you try to place SL order, okay, you can choose say something like 182.1 is the entry according to the sheet, and you can keep what do you call, you can keep 182.1. How much difference should I put? I'm very I okay, 183 is I just, so when I am selling, right, when I am selling, right, so what I do is I don't I'm not a miser when I am selling. When I am buying, I keep a smaller limit. Okay, so this is a pro tip. All of you, if you are wanting a pro tip, if you already knew this, when you are exiting, no, don't keep smaller limit if you are using SL. Why? Because if there is a huge crash, okay, and if your order doesn't get executed, you might get into huge profits. So my request is when you are exiting, whether it is sell or buy, you should be lenient. You should be very, you should give good difference. But when you are entering, it can be buy or sell. Okay, how many in the room today do not know that you can sell first and buy later? Type me in the comment box. If you do not know, you can sell first and buy later. Type me in the comment box. I just want to understand. Okay, cool. So this is the best time to understand selling. Why? It's because we are going through so much of things outside. People are expecting some more recession. People are saying there is no correlation between what's happening in the market versus economy versus market. So this is a recession market. Recession market. What do? We sell first and buy later. Okay, according to the system again. March was a big shot. Yes, Surinder. We go through this terminology, I mean, these time periods. Very true, Surinder. So we in the sell first, in the short selling, it's called short selling. In that we sell first, we buy later. We sell first, we buy later. Okay. So for example, if I had sold here and if I am buying here, so that is called selling first and buying later. Some of you might be thinking, Shankar, how can you be so relaxed? Aren't you a trader? Aren't you worrying about looking at all of this? I said, I say I have my stop losses in place. I have, if in case if I need a target, they are also in place. I just have a look at how the markets behave. I don't even get worried. Okay, that's how I also want you to be thinking. You should know your entry and exits well in advance. So Roshan is asking, sir, I'm a fresher, not used to this. Could you please define it possible? So Roshan, see the especially the classes that we will be doing, they are more oriented towards learning the trading part, but not we don't get into defining the short selling and all other stuff. But if you want to know how to do short selling, I'll be teaching you that. Is that good, Roshan? Type good in the comment box. So just the concept of short selling is, I'll give you a material also if you are in my other coaching club. There is a material, there is a lot of material out there for you to understand the use cases of short selling and all of that stuff. But what you need to understand though is you need to know that in stock market, there is a possibility of selling at one place, selling first selling, then buying later. Okay, selling first and buying later. Again, there are different instruments, and there are different. I'll come to that. Then. Good question. There are different instruments. For example, in intraday MIS stock equity, we can do intraday. In futures, we can do positional, short positional. So short selling. Otherwise, we cannot do short selling for stocks, equity stocks for positional. We cannot do short selling unless until we are doing it on equity futures. Okay, so Tarun is asking what is the difference between trigger price and price in the screen that I'm sharing. Okay, so trigger price is where you are telling your system that if the price comes to 182, okay, if the price comes to 182, start taking my order. Okay, and till that time it goes up to 183, try to see where I can get my order filled. Tarun. Okay. So you are trying to buy now. You are telling the broker that yes, in the bidding process that you are seeing here, okay, I want to buy at 182. Okay, you are telling the broker that at 182 trigger my order. But if there are no sellers at exactly at 182 or not even at 182.1, but if somebody wants to sell even at 182.8, between this range, this is the range that you are telling. Is that clear, Tarun? At least somewhat clear. So most of these are you need to do it yourself. Otherwise, you'll not understand. So I can only give you some tip, but you'll have to do it yourself. Sure, Rajkumar. Okay. Need some margin for short selling. Yes, you need to understand the margin money also. So trigger price to price is the limit which you want the system to buy or sell. So Rakesh is answering. Trigger price to price is the limit within which you want the system to buy or sell. So Rakesh, very good definition. Thank you for understanding that correctly. So trigger price is the price. Trigger price to price is the limit within which you want the system to buy and sell. Okay, but can I place the price at 181.1? Are you talking about the current based on the current market? So currently it is at 183. Tarun, okay, you want to buy or sell at 181? Then I'll tell you which order to take. Okay, so all of you have any questions related to order placement? Your question to ask is now. Okay, all of you who have any questions related to, sir, what should I do? What should I do? Ask me right now. Okay, we'll close it in another 10 minutes if there are no questions. But generally, this is what it is, and mostly you need to do it yourself. I mean, especially these things, market limit, SLM order. Start doing it, you'll be understanding this. Okay, and moreover, when you are, I mean, the self-reliant, not from the whatever the government, but in life also, when we want to learn, automatically you will start finding people. Okay, you'll start finding people where you will be getting answers to. So Virendra, bracket order and the cover order, I will explain right now. Thank you for that question. In fact, I made a video on that. I'll share that with you. If bracket order is not available, how to put the target and stop loss order. Atul, bracket order it's better if you find a broker who has a bracket order because it has advantages. Otherwise, it's very difficult especially for people like you who are working professionals, who will find it very difficult to manage trades. Otherwise, also, Atul, even if you have time, also, if you ask me, see, I will tell you that today I'll tell you one of the most important secret to success in trading. Try to minimize your hands in trading, even if it gives you lesser profits. Is that a deal? Type deal in the comment box. Try to just place the order, place the stop loss, and hands free. Be hands free. Okay, type hands free in the comment box. Hands free, because the more I want to, okay, because I am somebody. I mean, I am not a different person. I am very much like you who goes through this. I go through the same thing that you go through, and I have gone through for a much longer time. That's it. And I have not left it. Okay, I'm not left going through this drill of should I sell here, can I make some profits, can I see if there is a small trend here, can I see big trend here, is the market going down, is that happening, is this happening, is that happening, what is the news out there, did I fight with my wife today, did I fight with my partner today, can I somehow come out and express all my feelings here. This will play out even if you have a system. So try to use bracket orders wherever you have an option, right? When you have bracket orders, try to use it. The other thing is also nowadays some scripts are not allowed for bracket orders for intraday for short selling. Yes, Rajesh. I mean, we are going through a very challenging times. You all know that. So we'll have to play around with whatever is the available stuff. So let me take quick questions and then we will probably close this. What is the? Can you please explain the Reliance strategies I have seen on YouTube? Uma, I will have to take one more session on that. I'll pick it up some other time if you are okay. What is the difference between SL and SLM? So SL is after the trigger price, Ashok, wherever you are getting an entry, irrespective of how far that is, you will be buying that, which means it's almost like a guaranteed entry. There's nothing called guarantee in stock market, by the way. Understand that. SL is you put the trigger, there is also a limit, which means within this price range only it's going to buy. There is no other, otherwise it will not even buy and sell. Then what else? Almost every broker stopped BO in March and April had to use separate stop loss along with regular. I completely agree, Surinder. It's very, very challenging. Sir, how much difference should we keep between, should we put in trigger and final price while selling? There is any thumb rule? Sanjay, I will let other experienced people speak on. Let me give them their answers. There are different theories. Some say put very small this thing. Some say put very give a gap. But the thumb rule is when you are entering, let there be a very small gap. When you are exiting, let it be a very big gap. Okay. Nowadays, some scripts, yeah. For buying, can I put TP equal to trigger price equal to 182.1 and price equal to 181? Okay. So no. So when you are buying, understand this. Understand this. Okay. All of you who wants to understand what do you call? What do you call the SL and SLM order? Okay. SL and SLM order. I am back. I am back. Are you all with me? There was a problem with the power. Are you all with me? Type with you in the comment box. With you, with you. Okay, sorry. Cool. So SBI is not wanting to give you any losses, but it is strategy's choice. Just why is it rewarding you? Is because you are learning something and it wants to give you. Can you all see the beauty of this? It doesn't want you to fail. Why? Because you don't want to. You do. You're not. You're just following the system. You have accepted the risk. Okay. When you follow this tool, no. When you accept this risk, automatically things will happen. Okay, so risk management is everything. Okay, risk management, if you have it well, there are advanced risk management. I mean, when you use a conservative risk management, you might not get good profits, but you also need to make profits, no? I mean, you also need to protect your capital and make profits. If you don't have one before I close this and I take some of your questions and close this, and maybe I will unmute Raj if all he wants to have his final take 1 second. Let me give me 1 minute. Okay. Raj, I have unmuted you. If you have anything, please let me know. Sir, can you please explain the trailing stop loss with this strategy? So, Surinder, this strategy is not tested for trailing. My suggestion is don't use trailing because I don't have the tested results. Uh, sir, VWAP play any role? I've seen many strategies on VWAP seem to be working good, but I have not tested anything on my own. What is cover order? Let Raj come and tell, or maybe I'll cover it in the another session. What else? How to put trigger price and price for short selling? I'll answer that, Tarun. Thank you. So I'll cover the limit. What is that? The completely the stop loss order and stop loss market order. Raj, are you there? I have unmuted you. Asked to unmute. Okay.
Yes, Shankar, I'm there.
Yeah. So Raj, I'll quickly explain the what do you call trigger price for. Can you please explain the Tarun's question? He's asking how to put trigger price and price for short selling.
For short selling, right?
Yeah.
See, like a trigger price will be there to mention the range actually. Okay. What the price you want to sell, and you should put some 10 15 paise as a trigger price. See, price whenever that comes to that range, it will trigger the order. So if you want to do sell, right, now sell price is 183.55. So you can put 183.60 as a trigger price in the selling part.
Okay, so maybe I'll quickly answer. Thank you, Raj. So Tarun, what you just need to do is, if you have any system, which will give you the short entry, what you just need to do is take the short entry. Okay, what is the short entry now? 178.75. Is this clear, Tarun? 178.75. 178.75. 178.75 is your trigger price now. Your price will be lesser than the trigger price when you are doing a short selling and SL order. Is this clear, Tarun? If you understand this, okay, all of you, when you are placing stop loss orders and when you are placing stop loss short orders, your trigger price will be above, price will be below. Okay, what are you telling? Okay, when the market is coming down, if you are triggering, you are telling the market that if this start triggering my price and up to some limit here, okay, on the sell side. On the upside, if you are giving a trigger here, you are telling the market that okay, give me up to this, you can buy my order. Should be very clear, Tarun, now. Okay, now I am telling you 178 point, say maybe 5. I'm giving 0.25 market, I mean the size, the what do you call, room for the market to take my or sell side order. Same is the case with buy side order. Okay, Raj, are you still there?
Yes, Shankar.
Can you please explain cover order?
Yes. See, cover order is something, right? We mention our buying or selling price along with the stop loss. Very simple. Okay. Target is not mentioned. Either target will be manually executed or at market square of time at 350.
No, can you please come again? I did not get it.
Fine. Cover order is something we place two orders at a time. One is buying order and stop loss order. Both together we will mention the cover order. Is
Okay.
it clear, Shankar?
No, you need to ask people. Tarun, is that clear? No, I'm not clear. You are neither.
See, buy cover order, we mention the buying price along with the stop loss. Fine. So that two orders will be placed at a time.
Okay. I got it. But it has to be a market order, no?
See, there is a limit order also possible. Okay, if the price is trading at higher, if you want to buy it at the lower price, you can mention the limit order along with the stop loss.
Okay. So I'm not very clear. I don't know about others. Rajesh, you are commenting me personally. Can you choose all and type? Is it the same as bracket order? No, Rajesh, it's not a bracket order. It is not a basket order also. It is a different order. And I'll cover bracket order and cover order separately if whoever has not understood. But my request is people who are in this current batch and who are there in my inner circle, I would request all of you to reach out to Raju. Raju is awesome when it comes to cover order, bracket order, AMO. I think he has about 20 broking accounts. He has cracked basket order. He has cracked bracket order. He has cracked every single order that is there. He has cracked options. He has cracked futures. Okay, so he is the best person. So I will give you his Raj or Raju, whatever, Atul. So his number is there in the WhatsApp group. Raju, can you just flash that in the second batch, also in the inner circle, so that if they have any doubt, they can just get in touch with you.
Sure, Shankar, I will do it.
Awesome, sir. Is the system for orders some across brokerage? No, there is a difference. For example, I'll show you my what do you call? This is the Alice Blue, and what is the current status of Alice Blue? I don't know what is the Alice Blue. Hmm. It is 38,000 now. My God. Okay, I don't know which is contributing to this, but yeah. So maybe yeah. So Raj will help you out. Whoever wants his help, please feel free to know. And Sanjay, the question to you, your question is, it keeps changing. It is not constant. It keeps changing from time to time. Okay. From the broker to broker account, it changes, but it's very easy. It's very easy. We are doing this as a special thing because you are supposed to be. Ideally, this is something that your broker should teach. But since we have all moved on to this discount brokerage thing, and we are now moving from the non-technology background to technology background, where we are getting comfortable with all apps and other stuff. So it is similar to how you got comfortable with WhatsApp. You will get comfortable if you are not comfortable with this Skype and all of that stuff. It is very easy. You will get comfortable, but it takes a little bit of time. Just give time some time, and it will be very easy. Okay, super awesome. So
Shankar,
with this, yes,
Shankar,
go ahead,
Shankar,
Raju. Final words. Yeah, go ahead.
see, normally what happens, when you call your broker, they will arrange a call back for you and they explain everything, okay? Even though they're discount brokers, they arrange a call back to explain all the orders. You can talk to your broker. Is that
Okay, so
okay?
any questions related to Zerodha, Alice Blue, Sher Khan, they are rightfully supposed to be teaching you. So if you are not getting taught by them, it is not their mistake, it is your mistake.
Still,
Okay,
they
so
can call them and they can ask for the
they will help
support.
you out. They will help you out.
They will
Okay.
help you.
So Sanjay, I will. You're there in my system. I'll help you out separately. Don't worry. Okay. Chalo. So I will close this for the time being, and we will probably see you later in the next session. Okay. Thanks a lot for joining this on a very short notice, and hope it was of some help. And thank you.